Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to see how we can insert media files in WordPress. Media files can be inserted to your pages or posts from libraries, from local storage or from URLs. So I am going to create a post. To add media you need to click on Add Media button. After that you can select the files from the media library. Information about the selected media file will be displayed on the right side of the screen under the attachment details. Click on Insert Post button, the image will be inserted into the post. In Attachment Details section, you will find information about the images such as URL, title, caption, alt text, and description. You can also insert an image directly from your system by clicking on Upload Files tab. Then select your media from your computer. Then click on Insert into Post button. So this is how you can insert any media files in post or pages. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. And I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.